Hey everyone! GoHighLevel just launched its brand new AI phone caller feature, and it's a total game changer. Imagine having AI handle your business's incoming calls 24/7, no human required. Not only can this save you time and money, but you can also offer this service to small businesses and generate a new revenue stream. Let me show you how to set it up step by step. Let's get started. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to the sub-account where you want to enable this feature. Then go to Settings AI Agents. Click on Create New AI Agent and start by filling in the basic details. Agent name. Choose a name for your AI bot. Business name. It will automatically pull the sub-account name, but you can adjust it if needed. Voice selection. Pick from a variety of AI voices and listen to samples to find the perfect fit.
So all you want to do is enter the sub account that you want to build this out in, and then you just want to come over here to settings, and then you just want to scroll all the way over here until you see the option that says AI agents, and then inside of here is where we can create different AI agents. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a brand new one. Now the first thing that you're going to want to do is fill out the agent details. So right here for the agent name, we could just name our AI bot Sarah, and you can name your bot whatever you want. And then over here for the business name, if you guys are doing this inside of a sub account, it's automatically going to pull the name of that sub account right here. But for this example, let's say that we're building this out for a pest control business, and let's say that the pest control business's name is called ABC Pest Solutions. So now let's go ahead and choose a voice for our agent, and since our agent is a woman, let's go ahead and find a woman voice. So let's just try Jennifer, and we can play this and see how this sounds.
The eye sees only what the mind is prepared to comprehend.
So this one sounds good. Let's just use this one, and you can just go through here and play around with these voices and see which one you like the best.
Next, choose the inbound call option. This is ideal for managing customer service inquiries, appointment bookings, and general questions. Then, set your agent's initial message. For example, "Hi, thanks for calling ABC Pest Solutions. How can I assist you today?"
So now that you guys have a voice, we're going to choose the direction that we want now. And right now, GoHighLevel only has this for inbound calls, but in the future, they're going to be coming out with outbound calls as well, which is going to be extremely cool and extremely powerful. But for now, we're just going to do inbound calls. And then right here for the agent's initial message, you can write whatever you want in here. So I'm just going to delete this name right here, and I'm just going to put ABC Pest Solutions. So our message is, "Hey, you've reached ABC Pest Solutions. How can I help you today?"
You can configure your AI agent to collect information like name, email, phone number. If you'd like the bot to trigger a workflow, simply select one from your available workflows. You can also enable admin notifications to receive an email summary after each call.
So right here, you can choose what type of details you want the AI bot to collect. So we can do name and email. And then right here, if you want the bot to trigger a workflow, you can do so by clicking this, and then you can just choose the workflow that you want. And then if you want the sub-account admin to receive an email at the end of the call, you can have this selected.
Switch to advanced mode for more control. Here you can customize your AI prompt, adding clear instructions for the bot on how to respond. For even more accuracy, you can use ChatGPT to generate optimized prompts based on your business's needs. Once satisfied, save your prompt and test it by entering your phone number. The AI will call you, allowing you to experience how it handles customer interactions.
Now this is just the basic mode, but if we come over here and switch this to the advanced mode, this is going to pull up the prompt that the AI bot is currently using. And pretty much what the prompt is just directions that you're giving the AI agent. So you can come in here and edit this prompt to your liking. Give your bot instructions on what to say. If you have any questions that you want your bot to ask the lead, you can add those questions in here, and so on and so forth. And then right here are your actions. You can trigger a call transfer, a workflow, update contact field, or you can send an SMS. Now that we're done with that, let's go over here. And there we go. Our bot is now saved. And if we just click on our bot now, and now if we take a look over here on the right side, we can actually test out this bot. But first, let's actually go ahead and update this prompt. So here's our current prompt right now. And if you guys are wanting to do this, but you don't really know how, you don't know what type of information you want to add in this, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So just copy this prompt right here, and then you just want to go over here, and you can use ChatGPT to write a prompt for you. So I went ahead and said, write me a prompt for an AI phone caller for my pest control business. And then I said, here's my website. So if you're doing this for your client, you would simply go on your client's website. And let's say that this is my client's website right here. We can just copy their website domain and then come back. And I'm just going to paste that right here. And then right here, I'm going to say, use this template as an example. And then we're just going to go back over here, copy this prompt and paste this prompt right here. And now let's click on enter. And just like that, ChatGPT is going to use this template and rewrite us the prompt that we need based on this pest control business's website. So here we go. Here's our prompt. And you can come in here and customize this to your liking. You can play around with this. So let's just copy all of this right here and let's go back. Let's delete this and paste in our new prompt right here. And now let's go ahead and save this. So there we go. We have a new prompt. And now let's test out this prompt in our AI phone caller by coming over here. And right here, you just want to select a caller number. So this is going to be a number that's already inside of the sub account. And then right here for the receiver number, you can put any number that you want to test this out with. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my number right here. So now I'm going to get my phone. And once I click call me, this AI bot is automatically going to call my phone. So as you can see here, it's ringing me up. And now if I answer this phone, I'm going to put it on speaker.
Hey, you have reached ABC Pest Solutions. How can I help you today?
Hey, so I saw a cockroach in my house today. And I was wondering if you guys can come out and spray my house.
Absolutely. We can help with that. Could I start by getting your name, please?
My name is DJ.
Thanks, DJ. Just to make sure I've got it right, it's DJ, correct?
Correct.
Great, DJ. Could I also have your email address so we can reach out with the details?
So there you go. You guys get the point. It asked me for my name and my email, which is what I asked it to collect. And as you're going through that call, if the bot says anything that you don't like, remember, just come through here and correct the bot. You're going to probably want to come in here and keep playing with this prompt until you get it right.
That's it. You've just learned how to set up and customize AI phone callers using GoHighLevel. Whether you're streamlining your own business or creating a profitable SaaS offering, this tool is a must-try. If you want to explore GoHighLevel further, check out the free trial link below. Like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.